Be careful when choosing what food to eat. World Health Organization estimated that low and middle income countries had lost $110 billion every year in productivity and medical expenses due to contaminated food. These contaminated foods can cause more than 200 diseases, ranging from diarrhea to cancers. I repeat, more than 200 diseases. If you live in these countries, you need to be more cautious. Before we continue, we randomly shout out our subscribers. So, shout out to Rain Van Basten. Not every food is safe. Not every food in famous restaurant is safe. Do you remember how many times you suffer diseases because of foods? I believe you suffer the diseases at least once in a month. Contaminated foods contain harmful bacteria, viruses, parasites or chemical substances that can lead you to death. Every year, 600 million people suffer illness after eating these contaminated foods. That means almost 1 in 10 people in the world become sick after eating the contaminated food. This is crazy. Now, listen, 420,000 die every year. Yes, 420,000 die every year. Not only that, children under 5 years old carry 40% of the foodborne disease burden. They die every year. Can you imagine this? 125,000 children die every year? You probably think that these cases only happen in low-income countries. You are wrong. Please check our other videos that tell the story in the high-income countries like the United States. Link is provided at the top corner of the screen. In this video, we will dig more data about contaminated foods to help you prevent from getting severe diseases or dying. So, please support this channel. Because this information is important for you, so, it's better if you watch the entire video than thinking too much about Copa America, UEFA Euro Tournament or World Cup, how to make videos, YouTube Shorts, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get more followers and views on TikTok, or going to Barcelona Beach in Spain. Out of many kinds of diseases, diarrheal diseases have become the most common illnesses resulting from contaminated food. Diarrheal diseases have caused 550 million people to fall ill and 230,000 people of them die every year. Now, what are the major causes of these illness and deaths? The number one major cause is bacteria. The most common bacteria are Salmonella, Campylobacter, and enterohemorrhagic Escherichia coli. These bacteria affect millions of people every year. The symptoms are fever, headache, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain and diarrhea. Foods that may contain salmonella are eggs, poultry and other products of animal origin. Foods containing Campylobacter may include raw milk, raw or undercooked poultry and drinking water. Meanwhile, foods containing enterohemorrhagic Escherichia coli may include unpasteurized milk, undercooked meat and fresh fruits and vegetables. Listeria is another common bacterium. Pregnant women can be in danger. The infection results in miscarriage in pregnant women or death of newborn babies. Listeria may result in fatal health consequences, particularly among infants, children and the elderly. Foods containing listeria may include unpasteurized dairy products and various ready-to-eat foods. This is crazy. Listeria can still grow at refrigeration temperatures. So, how to treat the infection? Antimicrobials, such as antibiotics, are important to treat infections caused by bacteria. But, you need to be careful. The overuse and misuse may result in spread of resistant bacteria. Antimicrobial resistance gas become one of the main threats to today's medication. The number 2 major cause is virus. Norovirus and hepatitis A virus are the most common viruses found in the foods. The symptoms of norovirus infection may include infections are characterized by nausea, explosive vomiting, watery diarrhea and abdominal pain. While hepatitis A virus may result in long-lasting liver disease. Spreads typically through raw or undercooked seafood or contaminated raw produce. Food contamination often comes from infected food handlers. The number 3 major cause is parasite. The parasites include fish-borne trematodes that are only transmitted through food, direct contact with animals, water or soil. Fresh produce can be contaminated. The parasites include Echinococcus spp, Taenia solium, Ascaris, Cryptosporidium, Entamoeba histolytica, and Giardia. The final major cause is chemical. Toxins and environmental pollutants are the major dangerous chemicals. Toxins may include mycotoxins, marine biotoxins, cyanogenic glycosides and toxins occurring in poisonous mushrooms. High levels of mycotoxins can be found in corn or cereals. A long-term consumption of contaminated foods can affect immune system and normal development, or cause cancer. Other chemicals that are commonly found in food are persistent organic pollutants, POPs, for examples, dioxins and polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs. You must avoid foods containing heavy metals such as lead, cadmium and mercury. They can cause neurological and kidney damage. Usually, the contamination happens through pollution of air, water and soil. Please check the link in the description if you want to know whether your country is included in low and middle income countries. Thank you for watching. Inspirational words for today. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be frightened, and do not be dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Joshua chapter 1 verse 9.